In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Eisenhower matrix in the ClickUp hierarchy. This powerful tool is a fantastic addition to your productivity arsenal, and it's incredibly simple to set up and utilize within ClickUp. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. This platform offers a comprehensive suite of productivity tools that blend software, artificial intelligence, and human interaction to help you maximize your efficiency. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, you'll see the Login option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on Login to proceed. If you haven't created an account yet, you can sign up by linking your Google account to streamline the process and maintain easy access. For those with an existing account, you can also choose to continue with Google. This simple step links your account for a seamless login experience without the need to remember additional passwords. Once logged in, highlight the area where you'll be working within ClickUp. Navigate to the Templates section. Templates in ClickUp are incredibly versatile. They help maintain consistency and save time by providing preset frameworks for your projects and tasks. You will want to add space in the template type to accommodate the Eisenhower matrix, which is specifically designed to categorize tasks by urgency and importance. After setting up the structure, locate the search function within the Template section and type in Eisenhower matrix. This specific template is designed to help you prioritize your workload effectively. Click on Use Template when it appears in the search results. This step brings up the Template interface, allowing you to customize and apply it to your workflow. As the template loads, you'll see the iconic Eisenhower matrix appear in your workspace. The matrix is divided into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. This layout helps you categorize and manage tasks based on priority levels and deadlines. Next, if you want to create a new task or adjust existing ones, ClickUp offers a shortcut. Simply press in to quickly create a new task in your selected list. Ensure you select the appropriate list where you'd like the task to reside. This feature seamlessly integrates your tasks into the matrix, allowing you to keep a clear view of your workload. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated the Eisenhower matrix into your ClickUp hierarchy, facilitating better task management and enhancing your productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more